Palangga ko ikaw. In English, that means I love you. Palangga ko ikaw. Palangga ko ikaw. Palangga ko gid ikaw means I really love you in English, and then the gid here is an intensifier. So palangga ko gid ikaw, palangga ko gid ikaw. Ginahigugma ko ikaw, that means I love you. It's a little deep and a little poetic. Ginahigugma ko ikaw. Ginahigugma ko ikaw. You can also say ginahigugma ko gid ikaw. I really love you. So gid here, like what we mentioned earlier, is an intensifier. So ginahigugma ko gid ikaw. Ginahigugma ko gid ikaw. You can also say love taka, that means I love you in a way, love taka, or you can also say love ko gid ikaw. Love taka, love ko gid ikaw, that also means I love you, but it's a little casual or modern slang. Palangga ko gid ikaw, that means I love you very much. Palangga ko gid ikaw. Palangga ko gid ikaw. So that means I love you very much in English. Grabe ko ikaw kapalangga, that means I love you so much. Grabe ko ikaw kapalangga. You can also add the intensifier gid. Grabe ko gid ikaw kapalangga. Grabe ko gid ikaw kapalangga. Another one is ikaw ang palangga ko, that means you are my love. Ikaw ang palangga ko. You can also add the intensifier gid. Ikaw gid ang palangga ko. That means you really are my love. Ikaw gid ang palangga ko. Ikaw lang gid ang palangga ko. That means you are my only love. Ikaw lang gid ang palangga ko. Ikaw lang gid ang palangga ko. You can also say, ikaw lang gid ang ginahigugma ko. That means you're the only one I love. Ikaw lang gid ang ginahigugma ko. Ikaw lang gid ang ginapalangga ko. You're the only one I love. Ikaw lang gid ang ginapalangga ko. Ikaw lang gid ang ginapalangga ko. Palangga ko ikaw subong hasta san oman. That means I love you now and forever. Palangga ako ikaw subong kag hasta san oman. Palangga ako ikaw subong kag hasta san oman. Another one, you can also say, pirmi ikaw sa tagipusoon ko. You're always in my heart. Pirmi is always tagipusoon his heart. Pirmi ikaw sa tagipusoon ko. Or you can also say, pirmi gid ikaw sa tagipusoon ko. Pirmi gid ikaw sa tagipusoon ko. Pirmi ikaw sa tagipusoon kag paminsaron ko. Like you're always in my mind and my heart. Pirmi ikaw sa tagipusoon kag paminsaron ko. You can also add the intensifier. Pirmi gid ikaw sa tagipusoon kag paminsaron ko. Pirmi gid ikaw sa tagipusoon kag paminsaron ko. You can also use the English one, I love you. You can also use that in Hiligaynon. You can also I love you or I love you gid. So like we've mentioned, gid is an intensifier. I love you gid, like I really love you.